friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious peri peri baby potato fries. So it's a very delicious recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started and see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. I've taken 1 bag of baby potatoes. It's nearly 1 kg. I've boiled it with some salt in a pressure cooker for about 4 whistles. And we need to peel the potatoes and cut the large ones into 2. Now, to this potato, let's add sufficient salt and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now, let's heat oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start adding the potatoes into the hot oil and fry till they are nice and crispy. It should be nice and crispy on the outside and soft and mushy in the inside. Now you can see that potatoes are nice and crispy. Now let's strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. Similarly, fry all the potatoes and keep it aside. Now all our fried potatoes are ready. We need some peri peri powder, which is readily available in departmental stores. Let's take 1 teaspoonful of peri peri powder and add it to the hot fried potatoes. Always add the peri peri powder when the potatoes are nice and hot so that it sticks well to the potatoes. Let's also add about half a teaspoon of sugar. This gives a nice taste to the potatoes. And mix everything together. Check the seasoning. You can add a little more peri peri powder if you want. That's it, friends. A delicious peri peri fried baby potatoes are absolutely ready. Serve it hot. It's a very tasty starter and very easy to make. Cooking with a happy mind and dedication enhances the flavor of the recipe that we cook. That's it, friends. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.